How to multiple Gmail account manage in Chrome, like this type. So if you not showing add button, so first open your browser and Gmail login already, and second Gmail you want login, choose you here, click. After that, add Chrome profile. Okay, sign in here, any new Gmail and password, login your Gmail easily. This type showing your Chrome, Gmail, different browser. This is a laptop method use. If you my information informative, so like and subscribe.